Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website in HubSpot. First, navigate to the Website Pages section in your HubSpot portal. You will then select Create and choose either a website page or a landing page, depending on your goal. Next, pick a suitable template from the extensive library or opt for a blank slate for full customization. Finally, give your page a clear name and organize it into an appropriate content folder for easy management. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now, let's focus on populating your pages with engaging content. HubSpot's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes this process straightforward. Simply select a module, like a text block or an image, and place it where you want it on the page. You can then click directly on the module to edit its content, upload new images, or embed videos. Remember to include clear calls to action and forms to capture leads effectively. This step is crucial for conveying your message. With your content in place, it's time to refine your website's appearance. Head over to the Design Manager to customize global styles, ensuring brand consistency across every page. Here, you can easily adjust fonts, color palettes, and spacing to match your brand identity perfectly. For more advanced users, Custom CSS offers granular control over design elements. Always preview your site on different devices to guarantee a seamless, responsive experience for all visitors. The final steps involve launching your website and ensuring its ongoing success. Thoroughly review every page for any errors or broken links before hitting publish. Next, connect your custom domain within HubSpot settings so your site is live under your brand. Don't forget to optimize each page's SEO settings, including meta descriptions and titles, to boost search engine visibility. Finally, leverage HubSpot's built-in analytics to track performance and make data-driven improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.